Switching the chassis to AMG's dynamic curve mode actually helps lean the car into bends before you reach them, but the end goal isn't greater cornering speed, says Mercedes, it's enhanced comfort. It works reasonably well, helping to quell some of the pendulum effect this 2-ton Mercedes suffers through fast chicanes. That said, even when dialed right back to comfort mode, the S65 picks up on rivets and broken tarmac a little more readily on its standard 20-in wheels than the lesser S-Class Coupes, and certainly more than an S-Class Saloon. Mercedes' impressive Magic Ride system seemed to miss more approaching speed bumps than with the Saloon, too. The S65's power delivery is more suited to GT continent crossing than precision back road blasts, too. Stamp on the throttle from stationary with the traction control switched on and it's a case of computer says no, as it tries desperately to divvy up the huge amount of power and torque. The result is squirming and dithering for the first second or two before the power is put down. Of course, switch the traction control off, and the rear wheels will spin until their tires flail away. No, where the S65 is best is from a rolling starting. On the motorway, you can simply pick a car on the horizon, squeeze the throttle and fully expect to be overtaking it before you've chosen which type of massage you like from the driver's seat. Also to be expected is around 15 miles per gallon. Indeed, if the S65's performance is staggering, its cabin isn't far behind for wow factor. Its quality is some of the best you'll see anywhere, and the standard front seats are some of the most comfortable and adjustable it's possible to sit in. They'll heat you, cool you, focus on massaging your shoulders or your lower back if you so wish.